The top for us tonight, residents rallying together in a Corpus Christi neighborhood, saying it's the best defense against what they're calling a recent increase in crime to their area.
They're a part of one of the city's 36 Neighbors on Watch programs, and they want more to get involved. Brandon Schaap spoke with one of the residents watching over the neighborhood and joins us tonight. Brandon?
Good evening, Leslie and Rudy. And Corpus Christi Police Department works with neighborhoods across the city to create effective Neighbors on Watch programs. Lindale is one of those neighborhoods, and it's been actively working with CCPD to make its streets safer for years. One of those residents spoke with us and say that now is the time for more people to get involved.
Everybody wants to feel safe where they live. Everybody deserves to feel safe where they live.
Heidi Hoff has lived in Lindale for about 20 years, but she started to notice an increase in property theft in the neighborhood in the last month. She said the Neighbors on Watch program is one way to reduce crime and increase communication with police.
That is the ultimate goal, is to have a happy, safe, communicative community.
Lindale's program currently has about 10 people signed up to watch different parts of the neighborhood.
It helps us work in partnerships with them, with the neighborhoods, to try to create, a safer community, a more aware community, and that in turn makes it a safer neighborhood.
Melissa Castro is a crime prevention specialist that works directly with Neighbors on Watch organizers. She said residents are the boots on the ground, the best source to inform police of suspicious activity around where they live.
A lot of times these neighborhoods on watch give us such important information that they almost solve the crime before, the officer even gets involved. So that's when you know that communication is something that is very, very valuable, to our agency.
Havda said Lindale has had a strong relationship with CCPD since before COVID-19, but says the pandemic has made it more difficult for them to communicate as effectively. She and other program members want to return it to how it was, and that begins with more recruitment.
Neighborhood on Watch is there to help keep communities safe, and the more neighbors that we have participate, the better off and the safer our neighborhood is going to be.
And Havda says that the Watch's next meeting is in a couple weeks. They plan to have them monthly and invite CCPD to come and inform Lindale residents on the best ways to stay safe and limit that crime. Leslie, Rudy.
Thanks, Brandon, for that.